One thing I've noticed, I get less nods and stuff when I've got the tinted visor on. If I have a clear one and people can see my face, they nod. But when I've got the tinted one on, less people nod. They're more curious, like that old guy over there who's just like staring at me. Yeah, but I've actually noticed that a fair bit. People, some people, if they're not sure of me or whatever, they won't nod. Because I've got a tinted visor, it's like I'm some evil biker. I don't know. But when I've got the clear one on, like last night I was riding around, I had the clear one on, and it's people nodding at me left, right and centre that were on bikes. It's like they can see my face. Also, the other day I was coming home and I had a cop have a real good look at me, man, because I had the tinted visor and also had the camera, which the camera, there's nothing they can actually do. It's not illegal to have the camera. There's been a law being passed in Australia that you can fucking have a camera on your helmet. There's nothing against that. But what is an issue is the tinted visor, because the tinted visor, they class it as pretty much having a tinted fucking windscreen on your car. But yet tinted windscreen on a car is actually a fucking issue. I've seen a car with fucking tinted windscreen before. It's dark as shit. But having a tinted visor is no more dark than having fucking a pair of sunglasses on. And I tell you what, I find a tinted visor to be safer than fucking sunglasses anyway, because it actually darkens it out. Now this thing does have the sun visor attachment, you flip it down, but it doesn't work as well, and I still find myself squinting. With the tinted visor I don't squint. It's completely like I'm wearing a pair of good quality sunglasses. So that's why I run with the tinted visor. Yeah, first I've got to go to a workwear place and see if they're open, and then going to get something to eat. Need some food, need some grub, so that is what I'm doing. I'm actually cruising down around here. I fucking travel this road goddamn every day, and damn near every day, mate, every day. So that is what I'm doing. So let's just go in here, nosy on here. That's a motorcycle place. They are shut. Is the workwear place going to be also shut? There's a question. They are fucking closed. So that's the end of that. So now where do I need to go? I need to go get food. I'll tell you what, like, you have some days, man, and you're out riding bikes, and it's a lot like when you go surfing, or you go like snorkeling or whatever, and there's a shark around. You get that same fucking sensation. Sometimes you get that when you're out on the bike. You know that shit ain't good, and it's not gonna be good. Today I haven't got that issue, obviously. I haven't got that feeling today at all. Sometimes you do actually get that feeling, man, and it's not fucking good. I have been out on the bike when I've got that feeling a few times, and it just seems like a real fucking sketch day, man. Like, shit happens, people pull out in front of me, and it's just a real sketch day. It is busy today on the roads, but it's not that busy, so it's doable, it's controllable. She looks paranoid behind me, man. She looked fucking paranoid behind me. Was my ass showing or something? Like, fuck.
She was looking at me. It was like she was trying to get my attention in the mirror. So I don't know. Maybe something's fucking happened. Unless there's a copper there and he wants to pull me over. She's like, you better stop fucking lane splitting. You stop lane splitting, boy. Give that shit away, man. Stop riding motorbikes. They're dangerous for you. Do you know how bad they are? Do you know how fucking good they are too? Need to adjust this clutch. It's got a lot of play in it, man. I've got a lot of play in this fucking clutch. So I need to just adjust that out. Yeah, but that lady looked very paranoid. It looked like she was trying to get in contact with me because I was looking in the mirror. And I've got the right indicator on. Oh no, that's a fucking noob mistake, but there's been times that I've accidentally fucking hit the thing the wrong way. You know what I can smell? I can smell some awesome Subways. Subways. Every time I get Subway now, right, it just makes me think about what's his call? What's his name? It just makes me think about Leadpin and the day that he got the phone call from the police saying that they chased a motorcycle that looked a lot like his. Yeah, it just reminds me of that. I'm weird. Alright. You guys should have gathered that by now. I'm fucking weird.